everyone, I'm Jessie from Rhodes. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to talk to you about two of our rolls and the differences between them. The first is our Thaw, Rise and Bake dinner rolls, and you probably recognize them. They're our most popular rolls. The other is our Warm and Serve soft white rolls. So our dinner rolls are 36 little dough balls that you let thaw, rise until double in size, and then bake into fluffy, tender, yummy, warm rolls. They're super versatile, so you can make pizza, stromboli, or any of the recipes on our website, or any of the recipes you come up with for them. And if you come up with some recipes, don't forget to share them with us. These rolls are a yeast dough, so you're going to want to pay attention to the best by date. If it's past the best by date, more than likely the yeast is no longer active and they're not going to rise for you. Now these do take 3 to 5 hours, but it's not active time. It's just the thawing, rise, and baking. So you set them out on the pan and they thaw and rise, and then you put them in the oven and they bake. They're not hard, they just take a little bit of time, and they're really delicious and worth it. Now our other rolls are our Warm and Serve soft white rolls. These, just as the name says, are rolls that you just warm and serve. They're partially baked, so they take 11 minutes in the oven. You can also warm them in the microwave for 25 seconds. In the summer, a little insider tip is to throw them on the grill. I do it all the time with burgers or chicken. These rolls really fit into my schedule. 2 little boys, my husband and I both work full-time, we're busy, so these are really convenient and easy. My 4-year-old can probably eat 5 in a sitting. He loves them, they're so yummy. If you have any questions on baking with Rhodes, reach out to us on Facebook or Instagram, or you can call our customer satisfaction team. They are baking experts and will be able to answer any of your questions about Rhodes. We're excited to hear from you guys, and we're really excited that you're baking with Rhodes.